Brad Williams, XL Primed. Let's find the high, the low, the difference in golf scores. What are we going to use? We're going to use the max. We're going to use the min. Clearly, to find the max, what are we going to do? We're going to look here. We want find the high. Well, we're going to go max here. So we're just going to go max C5 to D15. We have low golf scores, high golf scores. Why did we go to D12? We shouldn't. But we did. It doesn't matter. Then low, we did the same thing. We didn't have to. But if we want to cover our bases, we did. Difference. You could just go G minus H. That's just the best way to do it. You could go max C5, C12, which is going to be 85, minus D5, D12. Isn't that what we just did? Or you could just go max E5, E12. What is the max? If you just go C minus D, it's going to give you the difference. Then take the max difference, you're going to get the same thing. What about min? What's the difference? You can go through here and go min C5, C12, D5, D12 and get the same thing. In other words, we could go mins here, find the difference. So remember, older versions of Excel, Control Shift Enter, you can see they're still bracketed here. And if you want to look at min, here's the max 15 difference, min 7. But we went and we did the long version, but it's stated here, right here. Or you can go min E5, E12, whatever suits your fancy. You can read what I pretty much just said, and you can diagnose this if you want. Go in. You remember F9? You can F9 to death here. You can see 8.5, and you can play around in here and see what's going on. Number, F9, is just going to give you max, and max is just going to pull out one of those 15s. Brad Williams, XL Prime.